Hey, quit it. Oh, she fell down.
It's huge.
Yeah, it is. You gonna eat it?
No. I'm gonna throw it.
Oh.
Daddy, you need to go up on
Somebody
it.
left the snowman down there.
I don't
Penguin.
care. Go! Okay, you ready, Madison? Ready as hell. Okay. Set. Go! I'm
Let's go get it and fill it up.
Y'all are going really fast.
All right, get in here, girls. I don't know if this one will work on this type of snow, but we'll try it. Come on. Sweetie, you can still do this in the meantime, okay? It'll be awesome. It'll be awesome.
Mr. McCoy, Daddy. Give you a push? You want me to give you a push? Or do you want a ball? No.
Huh?
I want to watch Zoe first. You want to go, Zoe? Yeah. Want me to push? Don't push. I need to go. Daddy, I want to watch Zoe.
Go, Zoe! Woo, look at her.
Stop.
When are you gonna go, Parker? When are you gonna go?
Daddy, so I get to go first on the carnival one because I asked Daddy. Go off. Hey, Zoe, can I use that?
Yeah, I guess.
Daddy!
Up. Hold on, Parker, don't go yet. Let the girls go. 3 of them. Zoe, Claire! That's crazy! Here they are backwards, they're going backwards. What happened, Dylan? Let me see. Let me see, Dylan. What's wrong? What's wrong, Dylan? Oh, you got snot all over the side of your face. You okay?
You want to do it again? No.
Yeah.
Not backwards.
Yeah. Do it again.
Not backwards.
Yeah. Do it upside down.
Yeah.
Here goes Parker backwards.
Well, that one's easy on there.
That's funny.
You want to go on it with Jocelyn?
He just crashed into Bubby, and now Bubby he can't get up.
You have to watch out.
Bubby can't get up.
I got it. I got up. That's fun.
That's fun! Dylan, that is a beautiful animal. Zoe, what is it you can't do good in snow? What can't you do good in snow? Huh? What is it you can't do in snow? Jocelyn, do you know?
We can't walk because it's hurting my legs.
It hurts your legs when you walk?
Yeah.
Oh no, why?
Because deep.
Because it's what?
It's deep to us and it's not deep to you because they're bigger.
What's steep to you?
The snow.
The snow is steep? Oh no.
Jocelyn, whenever we get in the house, you want to go play? Yeah, by my mom, my snow crane. Yeah. Let's see the snow crane is how it is. 'Cause we out here for a long time. Yeah, I should be really high. Yeah. Look at my hand.
Are y'all gonna make snow cream?
Yes! And we have tons of snow in the boat.
In the boat? Are y'all serious?
There.